how to make a fursuit bandana. So I start with a large sheet of paper and my measuring tape, and I'm just going to make a big triangle. The top is 34 inches and the two sides are 26. I'm going to cut that out, and then I'm going to transfer it over to my material and trace that. The material is just folded over on itself, so the pretty side is on the outside on each side of it here. Cut that out, and I'm going to pin it together. And I'm going to start sewing all three sides. So I'm going to use like a zigzag stitch back and forth. You can do this by hand, but it would take a lot longer. It's much faster with a sewing machine. Just sew all the way around. And now I'm going to actually fold over the edge a little bit and pin that down and sew that so that it kind of covers up the raw edge. And then the little corners here, I'm going to fold them down and kind of clean up the edge as well. Makes it look a little nicer to fold it down and sew it into place. Sew all three corners like that, and this is what it looks like. It looks a little nicer. So I'm going to do the other sides the same way, where I fold it over, sew it, and in the corner. This is some Velcro. It's two pieces, and one is fuzzy and the other has all the rough bristles on it. So I'm going to cut small even pieces from each one, and the bristle side is going to be in this corner and the softer side is going to be in the other corner on the opposite side of the fabric. And I'm going to snip those into even pieces and just start sewing them into the corner. I'm going to sew it parallel to the edge of the material. And I'm going to start sewing with the short side first, just to get it on there, and then I'm going to sew down the long side, and I'm going to do that for the other side as well. And there it is. I'm going to try it on me. It's really big, but it's made for a fursuit neck. So now I have a fursuit head on, and just showing how easy it is to put it on with a fursuit. You just reach around and it just sticks together in the back. And then you can just adjust the neck and the bandana itself. You can choose to wear this bandana either in the front like the way it is here on Carrot, or you can wear it to the side, or you can wear it the opposite way and like have it in the back. That way you can still like wear a collar in the front. So yeah, there it is. This material is just so pretty. It's hard to see it in this footage, but it's actually sparkly. It's perfect for June because it's rainbow colors, so it's perfect for Pride Month. And that's what it looks like in the back. It just sticks together with the Velcro pieces. So I hope you enjoy watching this. Thank you so much.